Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray Albumin Kit. In the top we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Albumin Kit, bromocresol green method. This is short form of this kit, ALB. This is the overall view in top. Here we can see the front. In the front we can see the product name Albumin Kit for bromocresol green method. This is short form of this kit, ALB. Here we can see in the bottom the reference number of this kit, ALB0102. In this kit there is a one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. You should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall view of this kit. I am going to see the other angles. In this side we can see a blank space. On the back side we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side, bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of this kit. I am going for summary. Today we can see the Mindray Albumin Kit for bromocresol green method. Thank you.